Friendship Association bring another gift that will be remembered by the Pakistani people as another important demonstration of Chinese generosity and friendship.
今天，温家宝总理和中国人民对外友协为巴基斯坦人民带来了又一份他们永远不会忘记的礼物，这是中国人民对巴人民友谊和慷慨的体现。
I thank the administrator for help, and I thank the Chinese Friendship Association for this gesture of friendship.
感谢中方企业的支持，感谢中国对外友协的组织工作。
Thank you very much.
谢谢。
Thank you very much, His Excellency Prime Minister Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your presence. The launching ceremony now concludes.
启动仪式到此结束，谢谢各位。
The launching ceremony of the Pakistan-China Friendship Center has come to an end. Wen Jiabao, along with his delegation and the Pakistani Prime Minister